Welcome to Storytime with Tabitha. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're reading Danny and the Dinosaur and the New Puppy by Sid Hoff. The dinosaur went to the park to meet his friend Danny. As he walked up, he heard Danny say, "Roll over." So the dinosaur rolled over. Thump! "Oops," said Danny. "I was talking to my new puppy. Want to play with us?" "Let's play," said the dinosaur. Danny threw a stick. Fetch! The puppy came back with the stick. The dinosaur came back with a tree. Danny said, "Sit." The puppy sat. But when the dinosaur sat, crash! He really sat. "Oops," said the dinosaur. "I'm proud of you both," said Danny. "Good dog." He gave the puppy a treat. "Good dinosaur," said Danny. He gave the dinosaur lots of treats. The day was hot. They went to the pool to cool off. Splish, splash went the puppy. Splish, splash went the dinosaur. The friends played at being pirates. The dinosaur was the pirate ship. "Ahoy, mateys!" cried Danny. All the kids climbed on board while the puppy stood guard. "Time to dry off," said Danny. The puppy shook her fur dry. Shake, shake, shake. But when the dinosaur tried to dry himself, shake, shake, sploosh! Everybody got wetter. The sun set. It was getting late. "Goodbye, dinosaur," said Danny. "I wish you could come home with us." "Goodbye, Danny," said the dinosaur. "I wish I could come too." The sad dinosaur watched them go. Then the dinosaur trudged back to the museum all by himself. "I wish our day didn't have to end," said Danny. But then he smiled. Danny had an idea. "What are you doing here?" asked the dinosaur. "Time for a sleepover," said Danny. The friends played some quiet games and had some snacks. Then they snuggled up to sleep. "I love sleepovers," said Danny. "How about you?" But the dinosaur said nothing. The dinosaur was asleep. The end. Thanks for listening.